Hi, good morning. Welcome back. 6th July arithmetic quiz, Monday morning, 10 a.m., 10 questions. First question. A can do a piece of work in 12 days, B can do it in 15 days. They undertook to complete it together for 450 rupees. 450 rupees. What will be the share of A in this amount of money? This is plain and simple. 12 and these are days. Days ratio is 3 4 time, 3 5 time. Days ratio is efficiency. Reverse to the efficiency ratio. 5 is to 4. So based on efficiency, that means A can do 5 works and whereas B can do only 4 works. So this has to be divided in terms of 5 is to 4. 5 A, 4 B. 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 how many times 5? 5 times. So 5 is 250, 200. So that's it. Answer 250. Next question. A can do a piece of work in 18 days. And he worked at it for 12 days. So 12 days work completed, only 6 days work is left. And we finished the remaining work in 8 days. That means 6 days of A is 8 days of B. This is very simple. So B alone in how many days? So A completed the part in 6 days, B completed the same part in 8 days. That means they are in the ratio 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. 4 works. Whereas A have to complete in 18 days. 18 days. So 18 fours, how much? 18 fours is very simple. Double. 72. 72 by 3 is how much? So 24. Answer over. Next question. Or else, in another way, we can solve. A and B, they are in the ratio 4 is to 3. So A number is 18 days and B number we don't know. 3 parts 18, 4 parts is 24. Answer over. Next, A and B do a work in 8 days. C can do the same. B and C. B and C can do the same in 12 days. A, B, C can finish it in 6 days. A and C together in how many days? This is what the question. So again, 8, 12, 6. 2 times is only 3 days. Within 3 days they can complete. So 8, 12, 3. LCM is 24. 8, 3 times 12, 2 times 3. How many times? 3, 8 times. So this is whereas after getting added, I'll get it. 3 plus 2 is 5. So A plus C should do 3. So 24 by 3 is 8. So 8 days. Answer over. Next question. A can complete a certain job in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient. 60% more efficient means 160 and this is 100. So here it is 2 5 time, 2 8 time. They are in the ratio 5 is to 8. So then B can do the same piece of work in how many days? That means 12 5s, 60 is the work. 60 by 8. 8 how many times? 60. 8 8 is 64. Automatically it's a 7 1 by 2. Answer over. Right. Next. A man can do a piece of work in 30 hours. If he works with his son, A plus son, work is finished in 20 hours. So son works alone in how many days? 30 and 20. LCM is 60. 30 2 times. 23 times. So 2 works by A. Son added, then it is 3. So 2 plus 1. So answer is 60 by 1. 60 hours. So answer 1. Next. A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. And B and C can do the same piece of work in 16 days. After A has been working for 5 days, B worked for 7 days, C worked for 13 days, work finished. Work finished is always 1. So I can make it like 5 times A plus B. Why I am doing? Because A plus B I know. And 2 times B plus C. Why I am doing? B plus C I know. Plus 11 times C. So C I don't know. I don't know. So 5 by 1 day work is 5 by 12. Plus 2 by 1 day work is 2 by 16. Plus 11 by 1 day work is I don't know. I'll keep it as C. Work finished. So 2 ones, 2 8 times. 12 and 8. LCM is 24. 12 2 times. 2, 5 times 10. 8, 3 times plus 3. Yeah. So plus 11 by C equals to 1. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 24 minus 13 is 11. So 11 by C equals to 11 by 24. 11 cancel. C is 24 days. Okay, 24. So C 24, I am getting into options. But A and B, if I add, it should be 12. A and B. 8 double, 16 by 3. It cannot be my answer. 8, 16, 3 times. So 48 by 4. Answer is 12. Yeah, 12 days is right. So option is C. The same in basics. We'll cover the same. But here we are just going to solve rapidly. So I'm going very fast. A pump can be operated both for filling a tank and for emptying it. Okay, A is plus or minus both. The capacity of tank is 2400 cubic meter. The emptying capacity of the pump is 10 cubic meter per minute. This is per minute. Higher than its filling capacity. So the total tank capacity is 2400 divided by, if the filling tap is X, then the emptying tap is again the capacity is 2400, but the emptying tap has 10 cubic meter per minute higher, so X plus 10. Then time taken is 8 minutes less, so 8 minutes lesser. So the time difference is 8 minutes. So 8 how many times 2400? It's 300 times. So I made a common and direct cancel. 300 into X plus 10 minus 300X equals to 1. So 300X plus 3000 minus minus 300X equals to, the denominator is X into X plus 10. So 300X will get cancelled. So I should find out the 10 difference multiple. So two factors is 50 and 60. So one is 50, the filling capacity is 50, emptying capacity is 60. So answer over. Next question. A tank is filled in 5 hours by 3 taps. A, B, C. Pipe C is twice as fast as B, 2 times B. Type B is twice as fast as B. That means it's 2 times A, and automatically it's 4 times A. So it's A. 1 is to 2 is to 4. These are the capacities. Okay, efficiency. How much time will pipe A alone will take to fill the tank? So how much time it will take? So if all are working, then 5 hours. 1 plus 2 plus 5, 4 is 7. So 5 hours it is taking. 5 sevens. So it's 35 liters. 5 hours. A plus B plus C. 7 5 35. So 35 hours A, and if it is B in 17.5. If it is C, 35 half is 17.5. 17.5 half is 8.75. So that's it. Answer is 35 hours. Next, 2 pipes A and B can fill a tank in 15 hours. 15 hours, and B is 20 hours. Third pipe C can empty the filling tap in 25 hours. This is negative. These two are plus. All the 3 pipes are closed, are opened in the beginning. After 10 hours, C is closed. In how much time will the tank be filled? Okay. So 15, 20, 25. The LCM is how much? 75, 105, 150. Not even 50, 300. I'll take 300. 15, 20 times. 20, 15 times. 25, 12 times. Yeah. 20, 15, 12. This is minus these two are plus. So after 10 hours in the sense for 1 hour, 23 liters can be filled, because 20 plus 15 is 35, 35 minus 12 is 23. 23 liters into 10 is 230. So the leftover is 70 liters only. 70 liters can be filled by 35 in 2 hours. So first 10 hours plus 2 hours. Total is 12 hours. Next question. 2 taps. One is 12 minutes, another is 18 minutes. Both taps are kept open for 2 minutes. So 2 by 12 and 2 by 18 completed. Then the tap that fills the tank in 12 minutes is turned off. Okay, turned off. Then, so the balance is done by x by 18 equals to 1. Work is 1. So 12, 18, LCM is 36. 12 how many times? 3 times. 3 2s are 6. And 18 2 times. 2 2s are 4. 18 2 times. 2x equals to 1. So 6 plus 4. 10 plus 2x equal to 36. So 2x equal to 26. X equal to 13. So that's it. So that is the end. We'll meet in the next week. Bye-bye.